We are draining the bad gas from the little soon-to-be wasteland bike. Gas is supposed to be dark orange, right? So we're going to replace all this, the new kit. But the chain, despite looking rusty and beat up, is actually okay. Maybe a little cleaning, a little oil, but we'll keep it. Of course, change the front too, but I think the tires will be okay. But, geez, that gas. I think that valve right there also was going bad, because even though it was closed, if you look at the air filter and the engine, it's all kind of wet from bad gas. So for whatever reason, that peacock valve failed. Yeah, peacock valve, whatever, and filled the engine up. It's probably hydro-locked. Yeah. So, yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? There's the big boy. Since I'm here, update on this is took out the spuds, and he did a great job. You know, we did sprockets, chain, you know, fixed the broken clutch cover. He did it all. I sat there and almost died in the heat like a lump. He did a decent gas tank on, gas cap seals now. Yeah, switched it from a tach to a speedometer, so now actually there's a mile rating on her again. I'm actually looking at all-in-one tach gauge sets, hopefully mount here on this side. That way I'll have tach, speedometer, oil gauge indicator, all the fun stuff. I got a new drain plug because I don't know if you can see. Got a little spot right from where is it? Right from the drain plug. Anyways, it's not. It looks like they just found a bolt and it doesn't really fit. So yeah, that's gonna be the next phase, is get all that taken up, and I still gotta get a new tire for the back, but I'm gonna wait till I can actually ride it a bit. Yeah, but I'm happy with it. What he did was great. It doesn't once it warms up, it doesn't need to choke anymore to stay running. Huge. I can actually take the seat off like it's supposed to be. No weird hunting and pecking trap anymore. Oh, still gotta get a decent air filter. They did some fuckery to that, so that's gonna be changed up. He fixed my battery bracket, so it's no longer held on by bungee cords, which is amazing because it's done properly. That's why I like him. It was, you know, it's something that I wasn't prepared to even deal with. And he looked at it, like, no, we can fix that perfectly. Good welds. And the battery box is stable now. You know, he cleaned the jets on it. They were clogged. We might go down a jet size because whoever had this bike before me put different jets, like mismatched jets, and too big. So screw that. I think I'd rather go back to OEM setup. But yeah, draining the gas out of that's today's project. I've got a whole engine kit, so I'm gonna replace all of that. It's gonna be nice.